Remember, we're going to do trophy presentation at the end of the event in the beer garden, where we got our buddy DJ Stewart spinning the juice at 1 a.m. Here's our final drop. Out there, pick that up, haul it off so it doesn't cause any issues to the drivers. That means Team Farm Ferrari, Team 20 Farm, they're on the one driver as well as the 20 with cote from Mercury Madness. So it's two drivers against UMFDA. We still have both of their trucks in this round. Safety team trying to figure out who's missing that tire. Make sure everybody's good before we restart this final for our team showdown truck derby. Down the top three.